Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Ponsler. I'm at the Hyatt place in the Los Angeles area, just outside Los Angeles International Airport. This is the hotel that I'm staying for this weekend. And here's a little brief tour of this room. Well, this is the entertainment center with the TV set, the big screen TV set, along with a mini bar full of snacks and drinks. And this cabinet, which behind that big drawer, there's a fridge with beer, energy drinks, and some soft drinks. And then we go to this desk, standard for any hotel room, with a desk phone, some water, coffee maker, and teas and coffee grounds to make brewed beverages. And I'm going to have a brewed cup of coffee momentarily. We take you outside, or looking outside. You see I'm pretty high up. This is the 12th story of this hotel. The highest floor hotel room since Hawaii 07. The only other time that I visited the Pacific. That hotel you see outside is the Sonesta Hotel. That is blocking the view of LAX. Then there's this view to the right of that hotel, and you'll see some views of the Los Angeles area. View I get to see for just this February 21st through 23rd weekend only. Now, for those who would love a cheaper vacation, I just want to say that consuming these mini bar drinks and snacks do have a charge that will be placed on your hotel bill. So if you're looking for a cheaper vacation, please consume these carefully and wisely. Thanks for watching this edition of CPWN. Clarence Ponsler saying have a great day or evening if it is nighttime. Goodbye.